Good day, ladies and gentlemen. You are highly welcome to Shitu's Mathematics Coaching Program. Before the commencement of today's lecture, I urge every one of you should kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell to get the notifications of my videos anytime I drop them. That will limit our time spent in here today. We are going to look at implicit differentiation. And before we can talk about implicit differentiation, so we have to talk about implicit function. So what do we mean by implicit functions? It's just a situation whereby your x and y, your variable x and y are found to be like this, that is f of x, y equals to c, where x and y are mixed up, where y cannot be expressed, or where y is not expressed as terms, understand, cannot be expressed in the terms of what? In the terms of x, where y cannot be, is not what? Is not a function of the variable x. I don't know, maybe you are getting what I'm saying. So now, whenever you are given this kind of function, so we call it implicit function. So now, if you are given this kind of question and they ask you, the function, they now ask you to find dy dx, that is to get you find the derivative of what? Of y with respect to x. I get it. So which means you are going to differentiate x normally, and also you differentiate y normally, but this one is having a condition. So whenever you are differentiating with respect to x and you find another variable that is not x, so you differentiate that variable normally, understand, and after that you now multiply it by dy dx. I don't know, maybe you are getting what I'm saying. So solving the problem having on the board, so you will try to understand me more better than this. Understand? So let's quickly solve this and see how it goes. So now we have this question on the board, so we can rewrite this. Let's write this one: y raised by 3 equals to 3asy. So now to solve this one, I will try to differentiate this with respect to x, because the question said find dy dx, that is the differential coefficient of x, so of y. So now to get this one, so what are you going to do? You try to differentiate each term with what? With respect to x. So therefore, to do that, we are going to have d dx x raised to power 3 plus d dx y to power 3 equals to 3a is a constant, understand, into brackets. You keep, let's say you differentiate x. So because we are going to use product rule here, so to differentiate x, you keep what? You keep y as constant, that is d dx of what? Of x then y constant, plus d dx, understand, then y, understand, you keep x as constant. I don't know, maybe you are getting what I'm doing. So now solving this one further, so you differentiate this one, you have 3x squared purely x, plus differentiate this one, you are going to differentiate this one like this, that is 3y squared. But do not forget that this is purely y, this is variable y, therefore multiply by dy dx. You understand? Dy dx equals to 3a. So you differentiate x, you keep y. So differentiation of y of x is what? Is 1 multiplied by what? Y, plus you differentiate y, you keep x. Therefore we keep x as constants. Differentiation of y is 1. But do not forget that you differentiate y, therefore you have what? You have dy what? Dy dx. So now you try to solve this one further by opening the brackets here. So we have what? We have 3x squared plus 3y squared dy dx equals to, open the bracket, we have 3ay plus 3a times this, we have 3ax dy dx. Are you getting it now? So now, what do you do from here? So we try to collect the like terms. So you bring dy dx together, and the other you put them together. So now from here now, collecting the like terms, so we are going to have 3ax dy dx. Understand? So this one will come to the other side, minus 3y squared dy dx equals to, understand, equals to, this one is coming to this side. We have 3x squared minus what? Minus 3ay. Are you getting it now? So we'll just collect the like terms. Understand? So now from here you can see 3 are common. So therefore, bring it out. You have ax. Also, dy are also common. We have 3ax. We have what? We have y squared. Then we have dy what? dx. So we bring out the dy dx also, equals to 3 is common here. We have 3x squared minus what? Minus ay. Are you following? So now from here, what is the next thing to do? You are going to divide both sides by this. So we have 3as minus y squared, then 3as minus what? Y squared. So therefore you try to reduce this one. This one will go. So we have dy dx to be equals to 3 will go. Understand? So we have x squared minus ay over as minus y squared. So which is the solution to the problem given to us? It says find dy dx. So now this is the solution. You can see the solution is also what? Is also an implicit function where you can find x and y. So that's the solution to the problem. If you have any question to ask, kindly ask. Hit on the comment box and ask your question. So, and have a wonderful day. Sorry, do not forget, if you have not been subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do that. Hit on the bell to get the notifications of my videos anytime I drop them. Have a wonderful day.